Zodiac Animal Totem reading. February 27th. Earth signs: Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. You are being visited by the reindeer. The reindeer said it is important to remember that what is already inside of you cannot be taken away. No one is judging you but yourself. The reindeer is reminding you that the only person who limits and diminishes you is yourself. Your gifts are unopened until you allow yourself to open them. What you need is right there for the taking. All you have to do is claim it as yours and liberate yourself from the ties that bind you to your limitations. Here are 3 questions to ponder. 1. What unique gifts do you have that you have kept under wraps? 2. How is comparison playing out in your current situation? And 3. What does liberation mean to you? I release the energy of the earth signs and send peace, love, and abundance.